Hi, Alice. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. So tell me, like as students, we learned a lot from you. What about you? What have you learned from your students? Because each student is an individual, and we all have different characters. What have you learned from us?
Amazing questions. This is very emotional because learning never stops. And I am the person who believe into the good, the public relationship. So I've seen first time when I am doing this master class, before this class, and I met first time African hairdresser, and the approach was completely new. So I took 2 days to understand the brain, the behaviors, the attitude, the responsibilities what they have, the punctuality what they have, and then I have to train myself that I have to behave the way they wanted me to behave. So I'm very disciplined. I mean, this is the only class I started at 7. Otherwise, normally in India, we start by 9:30, 10, and it's over by 6, 7, 8, we don't know. But here you have to play with the time. So that's what I learned. Secondly, even they all are almost very punctual life. So most of the time, we open the salon, we open this academy, and they were outside. So it was very surprising to me that they respect the time, they respect the family, they work, they have dual life, okay, their personal life and professional life. But in India, if you ask me, I am not able to balance it. Okay, my wife is always complaining about it, but here I've seen that they have responsibility to cook themselves, cook their kids. They have to travel, reach home. In between, they have to meet friends. They manage everything, and it's heads off. And that's what my learning from my student about a professional approach. Somehow I bit disappointed because the foundation of Kenya is not there. So if the foundation is there, especially in hairdressing, this market has a lot of potential. If you see other ways, like other businesses, they are booming, but in hairdressing, it's still low. So can it, if Kenyan hairdresser anywhere in Kenya, if they become a strong foundation and get professional knowledge, I think they have a lot of opportunity because in India we have lot of competitions, but here whoever is doing first, they compete everyone. So they should be very professional. Next question.
Thank you. चलो. Okay, Alice. I wanted to ask you, coming to Kenya, what do you like about Kenya? Would you do more workshops here? Because we'd love to have you here more.
It's a very good question because when I started hairdressing, I always wanted to be the great hairdresser. But when I involved myself into the business, I realized, bro, it's not only about hairdressing or artistry or education, but there are a lot of expenditure and it's all about a profit, right? When I see Kenyan market, I see there are a lot of potential. What I have as a skill and which I am spreading from almost 18 years, which train more than 5 lakhs hairdresser. And out of that 5 lakhs, I must say 10% is having their own business, is having their own car, is having their own house, is having their own happy life. And I want to see the same transformation into Nairobi stylists. They should be proud to join this industry because I have seen somehow everybody is not watching as a stylist a great person here. So that should be happen. And that's what my goal that I'll keep coming here whenever I get opportunity. I can standardize the work. I'll try to change people mindset. I try to change mindset of the hairdresser. I force them to invest in terms of education because education is something which is priceless. Okay. And slowly, gradually, they will grow. Like how I started my career in 2006, and I have seen a lot of transformation in Indian hairdressing market because I travel across the world with L'Oreal Professional. Almost I travel across the world. There is no country left behind. Okay. And yes, Africa is so nice. People are so lovable and they are eager to learn. And when I see that eagerness, I always, push myself to be like an ocean. And I always say, whatever you want, just ask me. I am here to deliver with the best price. So I think I given the right answer to your question. Thank you.